So I was at my neighbor's fucking hillbilly motherfuckers, and the kid's mom asked me if he could have a cigarette. First of all, bitch, get your dumb fucking ass a fucking job and get some fucking money. Quit spending on fucking drugs and shit. I mean, you can barely pay your rent because your sister's gone. Which I feel sorry for her, but I don't feel sorry for you, you stupid fucking bitch. Fuck you. Anyways, this is Pro J. Peace out. Do not fucking use this system, you dumb fucking whore. Cocksucking motherfucker. Like, subscribe, and comment. And share. Tell your friends about me.